Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at equivalent fractions. Now, equivalent fractions are simply just fractions or parts of a whole that are equal, right? So, for example, I went to Pizza Hut yesterday and I got a personal pan pizza. And the lady brought me my personal pan pizza, and it was cut into 4 equal pieces. So I know that my denominator would be 4, correct? Because the denominator is the number that the whole is cut into, the equal amount. Now, if I ate 2 of those pieces of my personal pan, there's 1/4 and another fourth is 2/4, right? So how much pizza have I eaten? Well, I've eaten 2/4 of my pizza. But that's the same thing as, let me draw another picture and see if it helps you. 2/4 is the exact same amount as 1/2. So 2/4 and 1/2 are equivalent fractions. Let's do another one. I have a pan of brownies because I'm going to make brownies for a party. And I cut my pan of brownies into big long strips. What did I cut it into? 1, 2, 3, 4. I cut it into fourths. And if my family eats one of those, that's 1/4. But I realize I need more than just 4 pieces of brownies. So I take my pan and now if you go back and look, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. My pan was actually cut into 16 equal pieces, so that would be 16ths. And if I eat one long strip of those, remember a minute ago that one long strip was 1 out of 4 equal pieces. Now I've taken that big long strip and I've made that into 4 more. I've subdivided that unit fraction is what's happened. So now I've got 16ths. And this is how much my family ate. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4/16. What do we know about 4/16 and that 1/4 that I initially had? They are equivalent. Remember, equivalent means that they're equal. It's the same amount. Let me show you an example on a number line. Here's 0. Here's 1 whole. And I'm going to break my number line into 3 equivalent portions. So we all know that that is 1/3. Here's another third. Here's another third, right? So right here would be 1/3. This would be 2/3. And another third would put us at 3/3, which is 1 whole. Correct? Well, can I find, I'm going to get rid of that top part, can I find a fraction that is equivalent to 1/3? Well, we know that a unit fraction is 1 of the whole, 1 equal portion of the whole. So if I take each unit fraction and I subdivide that unit fraction again, so I took each unit fraction and I subdivided each one into half again. Now, I've still got my 1 whole here. This is still 0. This is still 1 whole over here, but how many equal portions do I have now? I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equal portions. So I know that now my 1 whole is 6/6, correct? 1/3 was right here. 1/3 is the same point on the number line as how many sixths? Remember, here was 1/6, here was 1/6. So 1/3 is the same as how many sixths? 2/6. 2/6 is equivalent to 1/3. They are equal or equivalent fractions.